Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about. The incredible world of combine harvesters. Imagine a machine that can harvest, thresh, and clean crops in one go. That's right, we're talking about the mighty combine harvester. These marvels of technology are equipped with advanced sensors, precision cutting mechanisms, and powerful engines, all working together to optimize crop collection. Gone are the days of labor-intensive harvesting. With combine harvesters, farmers can cover acres of fields in no time, significantly increasing their yield and profits. A combine harvester is a mechanized agricultural machine used for efficiently harvesting a variety of grain crops. It combines several essential harvesting processes into one piece of equipment, such as cutting the crop, separating the grain from the straw, and cleaning the harvested material. It's a game changer for us. The speed, accuracy, and just unbelievable, not to mention the reduced wastage and labor costs. Our workload has decreased substantially, besides boosting productivity. These machines also help conserve resources. They optimize fuel consumption and reduce the need for multiple passes through the field. And don't worry about maintenance. Combine harvesters are designed to withstand tough conditions and are relatively easy to maintain. Get ready for what's to come. Industry experts are continually pushing the boundaries with innovations like eye-driven harvesting algorithms and even more efficient designs. The clean grain is then collected in a storage tank or hopper within the combine harvester. The remaining straw and chaff, which have been separated from the grain, are expelled from the rear of the machine in the form of a straw swamp. In some modern combines, the residue can be spread evenly across the field for soil enrichment. Modern combine harvesters are equipped with advanced technology, including sensors, GPS, and computer systems. These technologies help optimize the harvesting process by adjusting settings in real time based on crop conditions, moisture levels, and yield data. This improves the efficiency and effectiveness of the harvesting operation. Combines have greatly revolutionized the agricultural industry by significantly reducing the manual labor required for harvesting crops and increasing overall productivity during the harvest season. The combine harvester's header, often equipped with a rotating wheel or cutting bar, cuts the standing crop at the base, typically around the height of the crop seed heads. The harvested crop, consisting of both grain and straw, is directed into the pressure section of the machine. Here, rotating threshing elements such as cylinders or rotor systems separate the grain kernels from the stalks and husks. After threshing, the mixture of grain, chaff, and straw goes through a series of sieves or screens that use airflow to separate the heavier grain from the lighter chaff and straw. Once the grain is separated, it's sent through a cleaning system that removes any remaining debris, such as dust, small stones, and immature seeds. This ensures that only clean grain is collected. So there you have it. The remarkable world of combine harvesters. From boosting farm productivity to reducing environmental impact, these machines are shaping the future of agriculture. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming explorations into cutting-edge technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.